A very good evening to everyone. I would just like to share some of the updates as of today. Friends, we have completed 1046 samples of testing, and numbers of negative from that is 904. There are 11 active cases in the state, and all of them are stable. And the number of test results that is awaited is 130 more. As of now, in terms of the health medical equipments, we have 64,458 PPEs, 5,10,000 3-ply masks, 65,190 N95 masks. Under the Chief Minister's special grant for people stranded outside the state, 10,287 have registered, and out of these 5,392 have already received financial benefit from our side. There were some concerns that were raised among the people regarding the schemes of rice distribution under PMGKAY, and some people had requested and urged that if this could be also redistributed to other beneficiaries who are non-NFSA. Friends, I would like to clarify out here that since it's a scheme and guidelines have been given by Government of India, it may not be possible for us to change those protocols. So therefore, those protocols and those guidelines will have to be followed. But in order to be able to help most of our people, the government has taken other measures, like the measures of giving the unorganized sector, labor sector, a help of 2,100 rupees, and also other schemes of the registered laborers also, where we're giving 3,000 rupees. So other ways and measures are being used, like PM Kisan, like the funds from the Manrega funds. So we are ensuring that by multiple schemes being in place, multiple sectors being activated, we are hoping that if somebody does not get any benefit or support from some other scheme, then through another scheme which I've just mentioned, they hopefully will get the benefit. At the same time, we have also released some funds through the MLA scheme also, and through that also at least some relief and some help is being given to the grassroots people. There were some concerns that were raised regarding the fact that some of the positive patients who are there in one of the institutes have been kept in the same room. I would like to clarify out here that the number is 2 of them are in one room and 1 is in a separate room. And the protocols are very clear, and in almost every other part of the country and the world, the protocol allows 2 positive patients to be in the same room, but they only ask that the room should be quite big. So therefore that has been followed, and therefore we are maintaining those protocols and we are going as per the protocols, and also the condition of all the 3 patients is stable. There were concerns raised about the rapid test kits. Some people saying that ICMR has asked governments to not use the rapid test kits. And from this point of view, we are working as per the directions of ICMR, and we are depending mostly on the PCR tests. But the rapid test kits, obviously, as the name tells us, that it's meant for a rapid test and gives results quickly. But of course, the accuracy level has been questioned from day one, and there's nothing to hide about that. But from our side, we felt that it was an option, and we've used that option. The people who were tested on the rapid kits yesterday have also been tested under normal PCR tests, and they have come out negative. So therefore, as of now, we are keeping the rapid test on hold, and we'll wait for directions from ICMR for further action on this aspect. If there are any clarifications or any questions, I am happy to answer them.
So we are given to understand that people who are in home quarantine, the government has taken initiative to provide them essential commodities. So if you can tell us about that.
Yes, we felt strongly that people should be encouraged and we should be supported while they are cooperating with the government and staying at home and self quarantining. And I think in those situations, sometimes they do need the support and help because they're not able to go out and buy the essential commodities. So, therefore, with that in mind, the government has come out with a small kit that we'll be giving to all the families which are under quarantine. And in that, we are including the essential commodities like food and day to day house commodities that are required. And these kits are being provided to different households. We have already covered close to about 600, 700 of them. And through the next few days, we expect to cover all the 4,000, 5,000 families that are there under this quarantine. And it's just to support them and also show our sense of appreciation for the kind of responsible way that they are handling the situation.